Hey guys. So it's been a little while, not too long, not like normal. And so today, since I have my dreads, I decided to make a basic tutorial on how to get a bun like this one. The first step is to put it into a ponytail. You put them under, wrap them around, pull it up, and this is easier to show you. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. So, I can't see what I'm doing. There. Okay, take them, and I put them under and across each other and up, and I tie them like this. Sorry, my dog's barking. So you'll be left with a ponytail. So now with your ponytail, you take it and you divide it into two. And then I go up, like so, and then under and tie the two sections. And then take whatever's left and tie it up to the top with the button. So that's how you do your basic button, or this style button anyways. I did it really quick because I have to go. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll make another video soon. I did it really quick because I have to go.